This is one of the things that's been slowing me down making the videos. I was using some copyright-free music from Mike Colombo. That's what I was using for the past 20, 25 videos. Kind of wanted to make my own. I've made music before. I've done stuff using different programs. When I was doing those, I was just mixing up the samples, but I actually ran into an issue with the last video that I was doing, and I just put the sample on there and then had the drum beat over it, and it actually got copyright flagged because I guess another professional decided to do the same thing, and it just said that it was his song. Now I'm just trying to chop stuff up a little bit and trying to figure out this program. This is Ableton Live. That is pretty neat. You can get different instruments and you can just do stuff like this. You can pretty much make anything you want. But the neat thing about that is you can change the instrument, do a guitar. And that doesn't sound good. Here, we'll try this one here. And then you can just throw some drums on there. But you can set up some of these buttons here. So you can either have it loop, or if you just want it to last as long as when you press the button. These are all the button pushes I did. Well, you can see where I didn't do it right on the beat. So like right here, you can extend it. I did this one a little bit too early. So drag that over and extend this at the end. So that is how it's supposed to be. And then we're gonna copy and paste this. Paste. So now we have the melody we're gonna go with. So I'm switching instruments now. So we're gonna have this, and I'm gonna start adding some drums in. And I'm going to adjust this. I don't know if this is cheating yet, but I got caught in one of those Facebook ads and actually ended up buying one of these chord packs. Basically what it is, it gives you a bunch of chords, and I guess these are the chords that pop producers are all using. This one sounded pretty good though. I also had some drum loops on there too, but right now I just have a beat, so I need to stretch it out so it actually sounds like a song. Now that chord progression isn't something I came up with, but I did come up with this part here. So it's really just something good to come up with something on the fly. All right. So I want the chord progression to play throughout the entire song. So what we can do, we can just copy this, paste it over and over, bring it to like 3 minutes. I don't think we need it any longer than that, because by then we'll probably change up the song. I feel like it needs something in the beginning though. I mean, maybe we should just start with this right here. Yeah, because this is the melody anyway, so we can have this in here. Just copy this for 4 bars. And then we'll bring back the melody after that. I almost kind of don't like the drum beat. Let's see if we can change that up a little bit. Maybe it just seems too empty. I feel like there needs to be more in there. I know this video is a bit different from what I had been posting with the car audio stuff, but I don't really know what I want my channel to be just yet. I mean, with the music making, I mean, it kind of goes along with the audio stuff because audio is music. You can actually make your own demo tracks if you wanted to. If you can't find that certain song that has those certain instruments that you want in the music, then you can go ahead and create your own. And from what we see here, you don't have to be a professional. So it just takes a little bit of time and practice, that's all. I just wanted to show a little bit of what I've been doing with the music and how it's being produced. I've got a video coming out working on this desk. That's actually the one that I wanted to post first, but it's running a little bit behind. But for the most part, it's finished. I mean, we've got the computer sitting on it, so that's a good thing. But thanks for watching the video. If you made it all the way to the end, that's awesome. But don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing. That would help out. And I will try to get videos posted more than once every 7 months. All right, we'll see you next time.